I know YSU my whole life. Before college, I knew that they were always a really good school. And then when I started looking at an engineering program, I knew that that was kind of a standout at YSU.
But I had a teacher in high school who taught computer-aided drafting, and he actually pulled me aside and said, I think you'd be really good doing something like this. And then my brother actually goes to YSU, and he would tell me all the good things about the STEM program. So I just thought it was a good choice.
I was a normal civil engineer, and then I switched my major over. I had a couple conversations with Professor Krennic. He actually told me what the program had to offer, and it was right up my alley.
All of our faculty, our full-time faculty as well as our adjunct faculty, all have multiple years of work experience in the field. So the classes are taught in such a way that you're covering all the material and the theory behind the work, but the way it's presented in such a way that the students will understand how they're going to have to apply that. Because we're an ABET accredited institution, we have a industrial advisory board that meets every spring. One of the things we talk about is how do we keep the program current with industry trends? What do our students need to get a job?
Yeah, the main thing I would say with the faculty assisting us in moving throughout the program is their understanding of, how busy we are as people, and again, why we chose the program. We're able to work and have internships throughout the whole program until we graduate.
I've already achieved one of my goals. It was to get a job right out of college in my field.
I just feel like this program has really offered me a lot of those different type of programs that would give me the knowledge to be able to feel that way.